The desert state of Rajasthan, but full on color and culture. Look at that. An elephant welcome for the Vance family in Rajasthan. I'm sure the kids are loving it. We have this visual that is coming in from Jaipur. Welcome as expected for the second family of the United States of America. Of course, remember, they are no stranger to the Indian culture. It's embedded in their family. Usha Shilukuri Vance has Indian origins, and clearly the children showcasing that as well. So it's a touch that has been now for the family. She wants to, of course, showcase to the kids. And till now, remember, the kids were seen in the Indian attire. But it looks like a more comfortable clothing this morning in Jaipur with soaring temperatures that have been shown that the kids have chosen to wear. Mirabelle in the arms of the mother. J.D. Vance taking responsibility of the two children. But look at that. Culture, grandeur, a cultural show that has been put up in all its glory from Rajasthan. Nothing but the best from the state for the Vance family. I want to go across to our friends on the ground as well. Amit Bhardwaj and Dev Ankur Vidhavan also joining me as we stay on with these visuals. All of them, of course, dressed in comfortable wear, looking at how the soaring temperature of Rajasthan have been. Amit Bhardwaj joins me very close to the Amer Fort. So is Dev Ankur Vidhavan. Amit, I want to come to you. Go ahead. I'm sure a lot of dhol, nagara, color and culture for the Vance family.
Right, Pooja, if you come to Jaipur and you are not able to witness the cultural side of Jaipur, it means that the visit was incomplete, and that is why the itinerary has been made in a way that one destination and you get exposure to almost every cultural aspect of Jaipur. This Amer Fort itself is a very strategic location. If you look at the pathway from Ram Bagh Palace to Amer Fort, Jal Mahal, different cultural heritage of Jaipur, of Rajasthan is at display while Mr. Vance's family was coming to the Amer Fort. And, as I speak, what we are given to understand that inside the Amer Fort, the folk dance is being, performed right now for the second family of the United States. J.D. Vance, Usha Vance and their children are witnessing the cultural heritage of India, the artistic heritage of India, as well as the focal art of the country of Rajasthan. So that's at display as well, and it's going to be a really detailed tour of the Amer Fort. So in every small chunks, you would see that different aspects of the cultural prowess that we have, that India has, and that India offers to the world, that Rajasthan offers to the world as well. That will be at display inside the Amer Fort, which is also a UNESCO heritage site, and it is an amalgamation of the Indian architecture as well as the Mughal architecture. So a very unique spot that has been decided for the family of J.D. Vance to witness this particular cultural heritage. And as I speak, the dhols are at play, the dance is being performed, folk art is essentially being performed for the second family of the United States, for them to witness it, to assimilate the Indian culture, and like all of us carry a bit of Rajasthan with us the moment.
Stay on with me.
I'm
Stay
sure
on with me. Amer Fort, remember, it's no surprise that it has been chosen for the Vance family. It dates back, it's a rich history from the 10th century, and then also by the 16th and the 7th century under the rule of Raja Man Singh I. It was then renovated more. The grand structure that you see in many ways came under the tenure of Raja Man Singh. The 16th, 17th centuries is what we are looking at, 1592. And has been the residence for the ruling Rajput Maharajas, their families, impressive Hindu architectural design elements. And this is something clearly, I'm sure, that J.D. Vance, his children, at least haven't seen, even though if Usha Shilukuri Vance has been able to be witness to Rajasthan's glorious history. So Rajasthan ensuring that their best is on display with their culture and color in the desert state. The kids, of course, looking around at the big elephants, right behind them, the dance and, of course, the color there in Rajasthan. Also remember, in case you've not been to the Amer Fort, I want to just add here, it can be a long walk. And I'll go back to Amit on that. And the walk can slightly get tiring and a little treacherous when it comes to children. So we are informed by a colleague, as Dev Ankur was also telling me, that a jeep instead has been chosen for a comfortable journey within the fort premises. That also means, I'm sure, Amit, that the area would be completely cordoned off right now.
Right, Pooja. You know, the very fact that I'm standing at a spot which is nearly 500 meters away from the Amer Fort entrance point, and the carcades, which are essentially the high-profile carcade, are standing right next to me. The view has been also blocked by the security forces. We know that it has to be as per the SOP of not only the Indian security provisions, but also as per the US security protocol. And that is at display as well. The entire area, even the visuals that we got initially, when the carcade had come, we could at least show you those visuals, but the security has been made in a way that the view of the Amer Fort entrance point has been blocked as well by the security forces. But certainly the view that the J.D. Vance and his family has inside the Amer Fort right now is certainly a mesmerizing one. The best that Rajasthan and Jaipur has to offer, and the India's rich cultural heritage is at display. The dhols at play, the folk dance being performed, elephants inside the area of the fort as well. And remember, the location of Amer Fort itself has been the central focal point of attraction for the visitors, for the tourists who often come to the Amer Fort. It's at the hilltop, you have a lake around.